Model Behavior TV.
You're watching Model Behavior.
Waboo! Hey, what's up everybody? Stereotypical stereotype reviews. Today we have a special review. In this box, I opened it to make it easy for me, but in this box, I possess the hat that will put this whole ensemble together for 4th of July. Yes, this 4th of July is a whole weekend. It's on Friday, so we got Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So you're gonna need 3 outfits. One of my outfits is going to be tropical 4th of July, red, white, and blue. And this is the hat that puts it all together. Well, first of all, this is cool. It came with a free bumper sticker. So it's the Rochester Red Wings, the hat that I got. And I got their Copa hat, which looks like this. And as you can tell, I'm put together now. I am ready for 4th of July without being super patriotic, but those will be my other 2 days. So anyways, let's talk about this hat here. It's the Rochester Red Wings. I got it because of that pineapple, that coconut. It's red, white, and blue. Goes with the Roosevelt's watercolor wave shirt. So I put this tag on. Yeah. All right. So let's talk. So it was $31.99 plus $9.95 shipping, which seems to be standard on minor league baseball hats. $9.95, so it's $41.94 total. Got the free bumper sticker though. That's priceless. And it only took 2 days to get to my house. I live in Massachusetts, close to the New Hampshire border. 2 days, that was great, especially around these times when everything's very late. So yeah, that's it. That's the Copa hat for Rochester. If you like minor league hats, we got a group on Facebook. I collect minor league hats. Link below. People just like you are in there. We're a fun bunch. So, anyways, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. If you want to see me do more minor league hats, I got tons of minor league hats upstairs that I haven't reviewed. I could do that as well. Just let me know. Alright, see you later. Bye-bye. Thank you. Out.
Here with Model Behavior TV.
Y'all know what's up.
They're going to be here all day at Warped Tour, so stay tuned. Getting here with Lynn Dunn.
I really like this game.
But naked.
Chicks don't even know the name of my band.
What are we doing, Danny? You're a work of art.
I am.
A work of fart.
Hey out there, this is Skeet Ulrich, that's me. I'm here at Rock and Shock outside of Boston and Worcester. And you're watching Model Behavior, which looks like